Living under a flight path for 17 years really gave me a young start on my fixation on airplanes. I love finding out how things work. The physics and all of it fascinates me. My dream has always been to fly. Taking the CTE classes definitely got me thinking about going into aerospace. It really showed me a potential career that I hadn't thought about before. Mr. A's class is one of the biggest reasons why I like going to school.
Career and technical education is the ultimate hands-on activity.
It's things that you want to learn about, things that are interesting to you.
So often we see aircraft from afar, and here's where you can get up close.
What I'm most excited for in my future is being able to work on aircraft, improve things, and eventually create a better world for us. Taking these CTE classes really got me thinking of applying to big flight universities. Embry-Riddle is one of the top universities in aerospace. It was really nerve-wracking. I wasn't sure if I was going to get in or not.
When they look at their high school transcripts and they see that they've been in classes that relate to their major of study and that they performed well, then that's a signal for success in college.
We opened the door one day and there's this small package on the floor and there's the words, "You made it." It was an amazing experience. The CTE program definitely changed my life. It really geared me towards what I discovered that I love doing.
Students can learn more about CTE programs on our website, on our social media platforms, or most importantly, asking your school counselor.